Hi, today in front of me Realme 10 Pro Plus, and I'll show you how to change fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the passwords and security. Here we'll see the fingerprint sensor, the fingerprint section. Just enter your password, drop the pattern, then tap to fingerprint animation and just switch your currently animation to one from these available animations. I'll go with the ripple, for example. Just let's now lock our phone, and we can see that we just successfully changed our fingerprint sensor animation on our Realme 10 Pro Plus. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.